In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make animated cartoon with Kling AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from an idea to a polished AI-generated cartoon using the core controls without wasting time or credits. First, open your browser and head to the Kling AI app. A desktop browser and a stable connection will give you the smoothest experience. If you're prompted to sign in, do that now so your projects can be saved and rendered in the background while you work. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Generate. This takes you to the main workspace where all the creative settings live. Think of this area as your control room. You'll set your idea, decide how it should look and feel, then let Kling build it. Start by typing your prompt. Be specific and visual. Describe your character, the animation style, the setting, and what happens. For example, instead of cartoon dog, try something like a playful 2D cartoon puppy wearing a red scarf, bouncing through a sunny park. Bright colors, smooth motion, cheerful mood. Include camera cues if you want, like slow pan left, and mention tone and pacing. The clearer your prompt, the more consistent your result. Next, choose the mode that fits your goal. If you're generating straight from text, select the standard text to video option. If there are stylistic or advanced modes available, pick the one that best matches your creative direction. The mode guides how the model interprets your prompt. Then choose the length. Shorter clips render faster and are perfect for testing different ideas. Longer clips give you more room for storytelling but may take more time and resources. If you're exploring, start short, review, and iterate. Now pick the video ratio. Choose widescreen for platforms like YouTube, vertical for mobile-first shorts, or square if you want an all-purpose format. Selecting the correct aspect ratio up front saves you from cropping later and keeps your framing consistent. Choose the number of outputs you want. One output is quickest. Multiple outputs give you variations on the same prompt, which is great for comparing styles or finding the best take. Keep in mind that more versions usually mean more time. When everything looks good, click Generate. You'll see the request queue in progress as Kling creates your animation. Once it's done, preview your result. If you like what you see, you're ready to move forward. If not, tweak your prompt, adjust settings like length or ratio, and try again. Iteration is the key to nailing a consistent cartoon style. That's it. Go from idea to animated cartoon with confidence using Kling AI.